Good day, everyone. This charming three-bedroom family home in Westmore Gardens, Spanish Town. Welcome to this inviting and well-located home at 18 Kingsley Close, Westmore Gardens, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. A perfect opportunity for homeowners or investors seeking comfort, space, and potential. This three-bedroom, 1.5-bathroom residence offers a functional layout with generous living areas and excellent natural light throughout. The home features a spacious living and dining area, ideal for relaxing or entertaining, along with practical kitchen space ready for your personal touch. Step outside to a covered veranda and yard space, perfect for enjoying cool breezes or hosting family gatherings. The property is fully grilled for added security and includes ample outdoor space for gardening, expansion, or customization. Located in a quiet, established community, this home provides easy access to schools, shopping, transportation, and other essential amenities, making everyday living convenient and comfortable. Whether you're looking to move in and make it your own or invest in a property with great potential, this home is a solid choice. Don't miss this opportunity to own a home with great value and potential. Let's take a look inside. The price for this one is JMD $12 million. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you.